What is up guys, this is Jay from Tricky Solution, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset in your Samsung phone like Samsung J5, J7 or any J series phone. What you need to do, why you need to do hard reset in your phone. Let me show you the problem. If you just forgot your password, then you need to hard reset in your phone. And very first process, you have to shut down your phone. Just press and hold the power button. Tap on power off again. And it's already shut down. And what you have to do, very first process, you have to press the 3 button at a time. You have to turn this one on. You have to press and hold the volume up button. Then you have to hold the menu button. Then you have to press the power button at a time. Then ready, 1 2 3. You just leave it now. Just wait for the screen work. Here you can see the installing system update. Just wait there. You have to wait here for a few seconds. You can see the menu option. Here you have to go down and by volume down button. Here you can see the whip data and factory reset, and this one is the OK button. Tap on OK. What you have to do now, you have to go down into the yes, delete all user data. Tap on yes, all user data. You have to go down through your volume button. Volume up, if you want to go up, then you have to tap on volume up. If you want to go down, then you have to tap volume down button. And here you can see yes, delete all user data, and here you have to press OK through power button. And here you have to wait for a few seconds. And then you have to reboot system. Now tap on reboot system. And just wait for a few seconds. What we can see, let's see what happened there. You can see the Samsung logo here. And here you can see the menu option, which language you want to set. Normally what we do English, United States, then tap OK. And what you have to do, if you want to connect your Wi-Fi, then tap on Wi-Fi and import the password, and then you can enter your phone. Then I'm not gonna import my password. Tap on next. Tap on next again. Agree. Next. Here you have to import your first name. tap on done, then next. Set screen lock. If you want to set it, set it. Sorry. So we want to find a 0. Want to input the pin, and you have to input your pin again 2580. Then tap on done. Show content or whatever you want. I just want to show content. Then tap on next. Then more next. Skip this one. Finish. And finally, here you can see we can enter your desktop, main screen into your phone, and this is how you can do it. This is literally very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys like my video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.